Hey guys, before anything, I just want to say my camera's an old gal and the manual focus no longer works. So if I get super close, it's like scary focused. Then if I get back in a framing that's a little less uncomfortable and up in your face, it unfocuses. So we're just gonna work with it. Today, I'm gonna be trying goth makeup. In my research, I learned that there are subcultures within the goth culture. I'm sorry if I'm wrong. I really tried to do my research here. I believe the makeup look I'm going for is called trad goth. So here's an inspiration picture of what I'm going for. And I think this hair, it's offensive. I was going for mall goth. These pieces, gonna piss me off. Y'all get to see the back. That's for y'all to know and me to find out. How does it look? What do we think? This is my costume makeup. Oh my God. Okay, I'm so happy because I forgot that I have white foundation in here. Sorry, I know the focus going in and out is super annoying. As soon as I'm rich, I'll buy a new camera. And just so everybody knows, I have respect and honestly a crush on goth girls. So I know I tend to always be silly, but like this is no disrespect or me like making fun of being goth. I think it's cool. We are 2.5 hours in and I've decided to start over. It sounds like I'm crying. I'm not crying. I've just decided to start over because I've learned A, white foundation does not layer. B, white foundation dries fast. C, this is hard. We are back and we are wiser. I just took off all the makeup, obviously. And in doing that, this pimple like won't stop bleeding, so please don't mind me. I'm gonna hold this here. This girl is old, so it's probably expired. I'm gonna stop being so hard on myself with like, it's not gonna look like regular foundation. You know what I'm saying? I think I'm just gonna go in with the ink liner, which is gonna be so hard. That would require such a steady hand to do it well. So I'm just gonna tell myself, go as slow as possible. Okay. It's not the worst. Yo. Okay. Not hating where we're at. Not loving it by any means, but way better than we were last time. Guys, not to get too cocky too early, but are we popping off or are we popping off? This is cute. Anyway, oh my gosh, my nose is looking skinny. I see some goth gals do this and some not. The little button nose contour. That looks like I just drew a peen on my nose. That's not ideal. I'm queen of taking things too freaking far every time. Panic blending, panic blending. Warning, warning, warning. All the sirens are going off in my head and I just can't stop. I just can't stop. This shade, it's so tiny and I need to like contour my face. I'm gonna try like pinching it and seeing if I can do that. This is gonna be hard. Here we go. Trust the process, trust the process. Huh? The blending that's not happening is making me mad. I'm gonna hope and pray it was that brush. I guess I'm gonna take the teeny guy that I used for my nose and like, well, oh, not the freaking skid mark. Why is it? Hey. Guys, I've been at this for hours and I look like this. Okay, time to big brain lock in. How do we fix this? Okay, first of all, if this side's dark, it's like algebra. What you do to one side, you gotta do to the other. So let's darken up this side. The silence is so loud. Hey guys, is it cool if I'm like pissed off? The gray we were working with earlier has a bigger pan. Shout out to my cousin Joseph who got me this palette years ago and I still use it to this day. All right, let's do the same thing over here for the love of God. We're having fun, remember? Remember, this is a fun time. Remember when we started this 3 hours ago? I'm going to dip into that elf gray.
That pisses me off.
And I'm gonna stamp in this one weird spot in the middle in hopes of like connecting those little balls that are happening for whatever reason. Stamp, 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 stamp. Hey, where'd the brown come from? Where'd the brown come from? Where'd that come from? We're just gonna keep going. We're not quitting, we're not starting over. We're not quitting, we're not starting over. I'm gonna take this and in hopes of like softening it. A girl can dream. Wait, that actually kind of worked on that side a little bit. Or am I Delulu because I've been doing this for too long and nothing matters or makes sense anymore? Okay, I have an idea. I hate to use something that's not white, but we've clearly gotten off track. Moment of silence while I try to carve this out. God, this one is so much higher than this one. We're gonna leave that there to bake because I know this is bold, but I'm going to take this with no product on it. Hopefully there's still some gray and just try to slim down. See, where's that brown coming from? Where's the brown coming from? I dipped it into this gray right here. See that? Gray, gray, orange. Now I'm gonna wipe off this bake because it's not white and it's pissing me off. I wanna give up so bad. I wanna give up so bad. I wanna give up so bad. Let's move on to the eyeshadow. Why are me and symmetry mortal enemies? What's going on? I can't do anything symmetrically. There's a random line right here. I don't know what that is. It's like not taking makeup. We're gathered here today to mourn a look that we were feeling hopeful for just hours ago. She is no longer with us. I ended up bringing the liner all the way in, not because I made a mistake over here at all. Splotch City is back with trying to fix the mistakes I was making. The pimple I had earlier, I made a face trying to do something and it like opened again. So I tried to fix it and you can see what happened there. We're gonna leave it for now and keep going. I've accepted that this look is simply not good. And yeah. Oh my God, no, 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 no. Wait, she's cute. Guys, how are we feeling? My husband's gonna be home in 14 minutes. You have 14 minutes. Yes. So I really want him to be genuinely surprised. He has no idea I'm doing this. Am I just seeing what I want to see, or is it kind of coming together? I mean, given all of the pitfalls we've had along the way. Sometimes when I see myself in the viewfinder, I'm like, okay, hi, Chapel Roan. And other times I'm like, hi, Jojo Siwa. Lips are kind of giving Marilyn Manson, but I'd be lying if I said I hated it. Okay, Logan literally just got home. He's outside playing with the dogs. This was the best I could do with limited resources. So here's the final look. Actually, this fit rocks. I don't know if it qualifies as goth, but I really like it. Why is my heart racing? Okay, let's go show him. Moment for the full fit. Okay. Okay. Hi, babe. What is happening? They don't recognize me. Of course not. What do you think?
I think it's interesting. Who are you supposed to be?
It's just...
Katya,
It's like traditional goth makeup.
is it?
Yeah.
I thought it was the drag style or something.
Oh, okay. Period with the knowledge.
I mean, it's me.
Is it hot?
It'll have to grow on me because I've never seen you like this.
Right. What do you think about the hair?
I like the hair.
What about from the back?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. It's messy, and I like messy.
Oh. On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate this entire look?
In what?
Just answer the question. Answer. Answer.
Don't get too close. I don't know, like a 10.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was fun making it despite the many times I got discouraged. Logan said he actually doesn't hate this, which I was surprised. I thought he was gonna think it was like too creepy.
I just think that the girls that do this type of makeup often have a very light, almost white skin color.
Yeah, which I
You are
explained.
very, I mean, you are pale. But not
Right
yet.
now or like outside of this?
Right now.
Oh, okay.
But like outside of this, I just think you're too dark.
Right.
And I mean, you'd have to be like a very, very pale person,
Right.
or else this would like.
Well,
you'd
women
have to
with
cover
dark
your-
skin tones pull off the goth makeup. I was explaining to him outside that the contour, like the failure that happened there with the elf powder that betrayed us all, I'm literally about to throw this away because I'm so mad. So you like the lips and you like the eyes?
Yeah, the eyes, like I like the eyes, but I feel like the eyebrows are overdone. Mm-hmm. Like where they come down, like
Right
to
here.
the corners.
Yeah.
I think that's
so you think if it cut off like right here, you would
yes,
like it?
Just more of a solid, thicker eyebrow. I think it would be good.
I am very surprised by your thoughtful input. I didn't know you would have so much to say. Give me a kiss. Love you.
Love you.
Do you want to stay in for this?
No, that's right.
Okay. All right, guys. Hopefully I'll see you on the next one. Bye.